take a look at this 2013 Ford F-150. This F-150 has just under 39,000 miles. This vehicle has a limited warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 16 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 21 on the highway. This F-150 boasts a 3.5-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include power locks, MP3, HomeLink system and driver airbag. Call 732-602-9800 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.